It's just gone 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to getting set up, so let me show you how. So let's talk about bacon. The way this should be placed on the tray is in opposites. So thick end to thin end, thick end to thin end. This will allow an even cooking of the bacon and allow the fat to go nice and crispy. All the way down the tray, nice and even. Same with sausages. Let's just put these on the tray. You just put them on the tray and give them a little bit of space to allow the heat to get around them in the oven and to get a nice bit of colour on them. But we don't want to colour too much in the oven because we want to finish that off when we finish the breakfast off to give them that nice, fresh, just cooked appearance. And last but not least, mushrooms and tomatoes. When slicing the tomato, slice it across the tomato, not with the bias of the tomato, because then you get this nice effect through the middle. If we slice it the other way, then you get a not very nice appearance on the tomato once you put it onto the tray. The tomatoes and the mushrooms are going to need seasoning also, so we need to take some pepper. And salt. A good liberal seasoning. And then we need to add some oil because these don't have any natural oils in them. So we need to give them a little bit to get some nice roasty toasty colour on them. Then all this lot goes in the oven at 260 degrees for 6 minutes. So we've just got our stuff out of the oven. You can see the mushrooms are nice and golden, tomatoes are nicely cooked, the bacon's got that crispy edge on the skin, really nicely, but it's not overcooked. You can see it's still nice and moist. The sausages are still plump with a little bit of colour on them because we're going to finish them off under the grill once we get going, and the black pudding's cooked nicely as well. So we need to get this all on one tray, get it down to the service area. And there we go, all nice and neat and tidy. Let's go and cook some breakfast.